What's going on, Don? This is Daniel from Josh and Danny Seo. So we're just taking a quick look at your Facebook page, kind of going through, showing about what it is you do offer, and going from over there. So just off the bat, we got painting, cleaning, drywall, all this stuff. So that's great. You do have your number, although part of me is now thinking I'm in the wrong area. But never mind, I am not. So let's just go through. So right off the bat, we're gonna go back to posts. I don't even. Oops, trying to figure this out. Your most recent post was April 21st. You definitely want to start. Oh, September 16th. That's almost a year ago. Actually, it's over a year ago. So it's great that you talk about what it is you're doing. But if you want to increase it, I mean, if you're getting good referrals and you're staying busy, then honestly, like we talked on the phone, you're good. Um, but let's take a look in, Columbus and see what's going on, right? So if I put in Columbus, GA, Georgia, it's going to give me, this is what we call a buyer intent keyword, right? Because somebody's looking for a painter in Columbus, Georgia. So they're getting very specific. They're in your area. And right off the bat, we're going to get ads, which is a way to get increased volume through a website, or not even just get, just build a one-page landing page, stuff like that. But you get somebody through the door that way. If you do it incorrectly, it's going to hurt you. If you do it correctly, you can capitalize on a ton of traffic coming your way. But right off the bat, we got your GMB Google My Business profile. Now, 3 out of 10 people will click on one of these guys, so it's very important to be in here as well. But again, if you're really good with referrals and anything like that. There's nothing wrong with that. I like it when people stay busy. And, if you don't have to go this way, then, obviously there's no reason for you to come this way at all. But then right off the bat, we got Yelp, Home Advisor in our organic search, the BBB, Angie's List. We got a whole bunch of just, I don't know what they're called, directories. And then we got Fresh Coat Painters, CertaPro, and Five Star Painting. Now, these three guys alone are across the United States. So they're not even local people. So, and then we got Three Best. So there's honestly only Painters or Green Home Solution is the real person in your area. All these guys are beating out everyone there. But let's go to Fresh Coat Painters. Let's take a look at what they're doing. So, yes, they're a franchise, which means that all of their stuff is done by somebody else. And just going through, they have residential, commercial, they have a standard website built. They talk a little bit about interior and exterior painting. And then, obviously they talk a little bit about what they do. Their I guess our 333 service pledge, what they do. Call answered within 3 minutes. I'm not handing on the phone for 3 minutes. Quote within 3 days, too long. Project scheduled within 3 weeks, way too long. Wow, that's not even, I don't know. I don't know if that's real, but honestly, people get tired of sitting on the phone. If that rings more than 5 times, they're off. But anyway, overall, solid website, not too bad. They also have a blog on here, but let's take a look behind the scenes and see what's going on. So, a UR rating is basically how strong their website link is, and DR rating is how much Google trusts them. Now, they do have 56 trust rating because just for this website alone, they have 163 backlinks, which is if you have your website link somewhere else, somebody can click on it and it'll come back to you. The coming back to you is a referring domain. So, they connect with all the other websites that they own in the United States, so that's why their ranking of their DR is so high while their UR is so low. Because all their websites aren't great, but they're all interconnected, so their trust rating is high. Now they do have 24 organic keywords in your area. Now, organic keyword is what somebody might put into Google to find you, right? So yes, you're going through referrals, but you're probably missing a lot of people who don't know you. So, and there's nothing wrong with that. If you're getting the business you want, then leave it as is. But take a look at this, right? Somebody typed in Painters Columbus, Georgia. About 300 people a month are typing that in. So there's definitely volume in the area, even though you said it's kind of small. But you got 15 people a month is going to that guy's website because he's on page 1. He's on position 7. House painting Columbus, Georgia. Again, somebody's looking for somebody to help them. 50 people a month are searching for that. 50 people a month are searching for this. 70. He's getting some traffic. He's not doing, a lot, but he is getting what, like maybe 20, 25 people, 26 people per month. All of these are what we call, like I said, buyer intent keywords. So how does this really help you out? Like, because honestly, like if you're doing good, leave as is. But if you really wanted to get more and kind of go further with that, then you would probably need a website. And then with that, you would have to implement obviously backlinks, which would increase your ranking on Google, so you're number one. You would need content, which will, make Google like you a lot more. And then you would need those keywords in there as well. Now you do those three things. Obviously, your website will attach to your Facebook page and all the other stuff. Just a suggestion if you ever want to. Free advice, of course. But you have a good one, Don. I really hope this was helpful. If you do have any questions about this, please, reach back out. We can always chat about that later. But other than that, you have an amazing day. Bye.